Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening, up with my oldest son, and this is the start of the new allotment. So yeah, it goes out to, where's the line, about that post there, all the way around and to that post there. So it is 12 metres by 16 metres, and yeah, got the sheep in that field behind us, right over the back, and then that area there, well, they're tidying that up at the moment. That's also going to be for some sheep, so watch this space. So I got the strimmer started, and basically my thought is, I mean, it's very undulating rough ground, but my thought is actually, if I can get the first 1.5 metres strimmed all the way up the sides, a couple of metres across the back, then I'm going to work my way in roughly 6 metres and then strim up that away, and then again do that perimeter, digging out the odd bramble as I go. And the reason for those sort of what seems random sections to be strimming, well, they're the sections are actually going to be where the pathways are, so I want those to be somewhat manageable. And the rest, well, actually once I get the beds down or built and done, there'll be cardboard over the top of this with the soil as the no dig beds, and it will level off anyway as I'm going. So a lot of these taller pockets of grass won't really be a major problem, but say to start with, we want to get the pathways done. There we are, and so it begins. Clearing for the new allotment. So in what is a slight bonus, my wife's come over to help, swapped over for my son, so rather than just cutting the pathways, we've ended up trimming the whole lot. And yeah, we've got a little audience there. I think they're not interested in us, but more in this pile of well, leaf clippings. So that's essentially from where the pathways will be, but as you can see, that is the new plot pretty much finished. Well, you know, trimmed and level. Right, there you are. That's the whole area finished. So that pole up there, that's just the rakings from essentially what will be the pathways, and the rest is strimmed short, ready for start building work on the actual beds. So watch this space. See you soon.